Hello everyone. Today we are here to fill in the form for Azim Premji University. Applications have recently opened up and today we are going to fill in the form together. It's a fairly simple process, but there are three steps that we need to remember. First, we have to sign up, then we have to register, and then the application form appears, which you have to fill in. So please keep your documents handy. What documents we'll need, I'm going to update you soon. So before you really start, you need two tabs to be open. One is where you can, open the Azim Premji University website. You can simply search that on Google. Okay. And the another tab that you need to open is your email ID, because you're going to get the application details and a password link there, which you need to register. Okay. So we have the screen open here. All right. Let's begin. So I've searched for APU already. Since I'm applying for MA Economics, I'm going to click on post-graduation program. Okay. So once you open this, you get a button here. You get a button here, which is apply now. Okay. Simply click on it. Okay. Since I'm signing up for the first time, I'm just going to enter my details here. So I'm going to fill in the details here. So I've filled it up. We are going to click on sign up. So once you click on sign up, this is the message that you will get, that you have to check your email where you have been sent a link where you have to set your password. Okay. So now we are going to set our password. So I've already gotten an email from APU. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to click on this link and I'm going to set my password. So there are certain parameters which you have to keep in mind. It should be 8 characters long. It should have one uppercase and one number. So I filled in my password and now the registration process will start. So I have to enter my email ID and the password I just entered once again. Sign. Okay. Now it says what you have to keep in handy. Okay. So firstly, it says that the email ID that you have used, that is where all the communication will be done. So just make sure it's an active one. Okay. You will need your personal details, your work experience if you've worked anywhere, your financial details, your income, your category, and a passport size photo. And just remember that this should be the size. Okay. It should be between 50 to 100 KB. And the registration amount, the application amount is 500 for both undergraduation and post-graduation programs. Okay, so keep your card or UPI, ID ready so that you can fill in then. So let's begin with the process now. So first you have to choose, since I'm appearing for MA Economics, I'm going to choose post-graduation program, and admission cycle is what they are going to offer you. Okay, I've given my name. You can give your date of birth. You can give your mobile number. Then we're going to scroll down. They need your alternative contact number. Okay. So you can choose anything, your teacher, your brother. You have various options here, given the name, given a phone number, and another email ID. Then you have to give in your address. So communication address is where, again, things will be sent if required. And then there is a permanent address. For my case, both the communication address and permanent address is the same. So I wouldn't really require to fill in two different addresses, but obviously it depends on you, okay, whether you have the same address or different address. So fill in likewise. Select your country, your state, the district you're from, city, your PIN code. Okay. And since it's same for me, I'm going to click on this box, which is check if same as communication address. Okay. So it's updated. And now you have to answer, how did you know about APU? So for me, it was through, my school or college professors. You have to specify the name of your school or your college or the teacher. Okay. So I'm just simply going to name it and click submit. So this is the registration process. Okay, now begins the application process. Okay, this is your application number. This has been messaged on your phone as well, just in case you want to refer it. Okay, now I click on continue and the application process begins. So firstly, you have to choose your nationality, then your gender, and whether you've applied previously or not. I haven't, so I'm selecting no. Your domicile, for me it's West Bengal, so I'm going to choose others. Then you have to answer your language details other than English. Okay, it's other than English. So for me, it's Hindi. Okay, so I'm going to choose Hindi. Spoken, yes. I can write in Hindi also, and I can also read in Hindi. So yes for all the options here. Okay. Then we have to choose the program that I'm applying for. So I'm choosing MA Economics, and I have to choose the campus. We only have Bangalore as the option, and they're asking whether we would be open to admission in any other campus. For me, it's only Bangalore, so I'm choosing no. Okay. Then the preferred test center. So because I'm from Kolkata, I'm going to choose Kolkata as the option. Okay. And interview center will be online only. So once you've completed this, I know it's a little lengthy process. If just in case you're not able to fill it up at a go, remember always save it as a draft. But since I'm going to complete it right now, I'm going to click on save and proceed. So we'll move on to our next category now, which is education details. So you have to read through, these are the four categories. If you're from Bangalore, Chennai, Delhi, Kolkata, Pune, Hyderabad, and Chandigarh, you belong to category A. If you are, in some other state capital, okay, or any other city where the population is greater than 10 lakhs, you're category B. If you're in a city which has population less than 10 lakhs, you're category C. And any other option, any rural area that you live in, so you are in category D. So since I'm in Kolkata, I belong to category A. I'm going to choose category A for all the options that have been shown here. So my category of city is category A, country is India, medium of instruction will be English for me. You can choose yours. My state is West Bengal, so I'm going to choose West Bengal. My district is Murshidabad. Yeah. Okay. Now I have to fill in my undergraduate details. So I've already completed my undergraduate, so I'm going to click on already completed. Qualification obtained. So there are many options, BCom, BEd, many options. Okay, so you choose yours. I'm going to choose for myself, which was BCom. Year of completion. Then have you passed? So because I have done BCom, I've not passed it in economics, so I'm going to click on no. And then I have to choose the duration of my UG program, which was 3 years for me. Then again here, same category A, B, and C. So I completed this in category A. My mode of graduation was regular and not distance. My stream was finance. Name of university was Calcutta University. Name of the college was BGES. Country is India. My state is West Bengal. You choose your state, obviously. Choose the district or the city. Choose your medium of instruction. For me, it was English. So I've chosen English. And just in case somebody, has any other post graduation details or degrees, so they can choose their required option because I'm doing it for the first time. So I'm going to choose no. I don't have any postgraduate degree. This will be my first. Then they are asking you whether you have any work experience or not. For me, it's a no. You can choose yes and fill in the details that they ask you for. Now I'm going to save and proceed, and we are going on to now we are going on to the next category. So we come to the next category, which is the socio-economic background. Okay. So you can choose the details here. What's your father's education? What's your mother's education? What's your caste? General, OBC. Remember, whatever you choose, you should have a certificate if you are choosing SC, ST, or OBC. Okay. You can choose your religion. You can choose the occupation of your family. Okay. So there are various options here. Okay. And then you have to enter the annual income. So here it says, please exercise with caution while entering the income level, as you might be, asked to furnish supporting documents later. And also it says that if you need scholarship, okay, the app, it's preferred that, the family income should be less than 7 lakhs. Okay. So, okay. So for me, family income is this. So 7 lakhs. So I'm just entering that. Okay, so do you wish to avail financial assistance for me, I'm going to click on no. You can choose yes. Then they are asking you, are you a person with disability? No for me. Again, save and proceed. So next step is that you have to upload your photo. So again, remember it should be between 50 KB and 100 KB. So I'm going to upload a file. So save and proceed. So now they're showing you the form for review. If you need to edit, you can click on those particular category. Okay. Just check through all the details, especially your email ID and your phone number. Okay. And the program that you want to, fill in the form for. Just check, and if everything is good, click on proceed. Once you are done with it, you need to confirm this, and then you will get the payment option. Okay. So you can show the QR code, make the payment, whichever way is convenient for you. And this is how you fill in the form for EPU. I hope this was helpful, and all the very best. Okay, so exams are just nearly a month away. Fill in the form. All the best. Prepare well. We are sure that you're going to do well. Thank you so much.